Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss about how can fix critical error on this site effectively. And if you still not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and let's get started. So many time we get this critical error issue. So first go to your wp config file, and I am accessing file by a hostinger. Then go to file manager and access file, and go to this folder, public HTML, and inside that you can get wp config file. So at here you can update some constant. So I am defining inside my localhost. So I am going to my config file, and inside that I am defining this as true, wp debug as true, and this display as true. I will explain this part later, so don't worry. So now for solve this issue, there are two methods. One way is a very bad method, like rename old plugin and then activate one by one, which is very old method and is take big time for check issue and debug issue. So we did first step, update debug true and display true in wp config, and now accessing our site. Now it is saying parse error, syntax error, inspected REST activation hook, and inside advanced custom field. So in place of deactivate all plugin, we if we are not technical, then we can only deactivate this plugin. So like I am at here, and I am going to plugins folder, and now renaming as 1. Okay, now it is fixed. Now admin also working, but our main issue, like ACF is activated and all thing is there, and there are lots of field will be there. So main issue must be fixed. So for that again rename it. I explain this I was renaming it because for only for non-technical person, and for technical person just put old name at here, and now you will get issue at here. So go to acf.php file, acf.php file, yeah, and at here online 89 it is saying that some issue is here. Unexpected identifier register activation hook. So before that this line, and it is our function is closing at here. So this is issue. because this part will be inside function. So this is issue, so remove this part, and now check. Yeah, it is done. And after doing all critical fix, then you must go to config file, and again as false, and false. Now there is no error coming in front. So now in the second step, I also told in the starting, I will explain WP debug log as true. So for that, suppose I have some error inside that. Suppose for example, I am adding some code like for example, okay, I am adding this code 2 times. Okay, I am adding this code 2 times, and it is giving error. So suppose anyone access our site, and then they also get this critical error. So if we go at here wp config file, and inside that if we enable true, WP debug true, and for display if we go at here true, then anyone can get all error which is coming. So any unknown user can also get access information from here. So in place of display error, we use debug log true. So by a debug log, we do not get any display at here, but we get some error inside debug log, where we can access debug log inside WP content. So just delete debug log, empty debug log file, and access again, and then it is saying that cannot redeclare investor dashboard shortcode previously declared at here. So go at here and delete. So it is best way to debug, and now access. Now it is working, and after all debug thing, we should disable this WP debug. If we put true, then it always put information inside our debug log file, etc., and it decrease our speed. So now in this video we learned how can fix critical error issue effectively. And if you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.